Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So this look that I did today was 100% inspired by my BoxyCharm that I got this month using the Ace Beauty palette that came with the box, the lashes and the cover effects. Also a few things that I did use were some of the brushes from Luxy Beauty, and yeah, so I created this really cute holiday look using the BoxyCharm, and if you want to see how I created that look, then just continue watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So here is November's BoxyCharm, and I know this is a little bit late, but I usually get it around mid-November anyway. But I did get the Ace Beaute or Beauty. I think it's Beauty because it has a little accent up top. Ace Beauty palette, and it is the Grandiose palette. Next, I got the Luxy brushes, which are super cute, super small brushes that I feel would be great for detailing. Next is the Lashaholic Glam lashes, and they look like this. And then the following is the Cover FX glitter drops, and I'm not sure if everyone gets the same shade, but I got the shade Nova. I also received this Jante Blue glitter star eyelining pencil. Anywho, so I'm going to get this look started. I'm gonna fill in my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to prime my lids with the Luscious Angel Eyes base. So basically, I am just going to take the primer and carve out my lid. I really like it. As I said in a previous video, it is like a concealer. I'm also just going to spread that all over my lid. I'm just going to take the Fit Me powder and set that primer. I find that it works better when it's set. This one specifically. So I'm just going to take that Ace Beauty palette, the Grandiose palette, and go in with the shade Clove. It's a really pretty peachy shade, and I feel like it's just so pretty. It would even look good in the summer. Got my little cat ears. I wanted to wear it in the beginning of the video. So taking this Kylie Cosmetics blending brush that I got in a different palette, I am going to go in with Poppy. So I'm just going to focus that shade in the crease and then blend it out towards the brow bone, and also taking that Clove shade and kind of just blending those two colors together. I actually wore this on Thanksgiving, but I didn't have time to upload anything because I was cooking the whole time, and then I was just tired from cooking and then just eating. I've really been liking the palettes that have been coming in the recent BoxyCharms. They've been really pretty, and this bronze shade is just so pretty. So I am going to use the shade Cinnamon just to darken up that outer corner and blend out that bronzy coppery shadow. Just a quick note that I was planning on doing a talk through, but the audio was just horrifying. There's people talking, slamming doors. My ring light just started making a weird beeping sound. So here we are. So I am going to pick up the shade Jasmine to put it on my brow bone, just to give that area a little bit more highlight, and also go into the inner corners of my eyes to brighten that area up as well. Next, I'm just going to take the LA Girl Pro concealers in green and red. Try to cover up some of those veins that show up under my eyes and make my under eyes appear a little bit darker. Just take the green one and put it on the sides of my nose, where I feel like it is a little bit red from just being irritated in general, like skin irritated. Just gonna take my Real Techniques sponge and blend all of that out. I look so cute right now. I'm looking fine as hell, sexy. So I'm just going to take that Fit Me powder and just tap it because I don't want that to move. I forgot to prime as usual, so I am going to prime now with the Fenty Beauty primer, and also take the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 230, which I felt was a little bit too light for me, so I ended up actually dabbing some NC35, well, the Studio Fix fluid, just to give me some color back into my skin. I'm just gonna take my favorite concealer and highlight and conceal at the same time. This is the Too Faced Multi-Use Concealer. Contour with the Hoola Benefit, y'all already know. And now I'm just going to finish up my under eyes by taking Clove and putting that under, obviously, my lower lash line. And then taking Cinnamon and Poppy. Well, no, Clove and Cinnamon, and just kind of just mixing them together and blending that. But I did put Poppy after I put Clove in my waterline. Now I'm taking this Bella Pierre glitter, and you see it in the next clip that I did use lash glue to apply the glitter. I couldn't find my NYX adhesive. So I took, I just wanted to give this look a pop, especially now in the holidays. The more glitter, the better. I'm taking my Stila liquid liner. I'm just going to make a wing. Give me a wing liner. I love wing liner. I've been rocking it since like 1,000 years ago. And this is the Clinique Cheek Pop. I think that's what it's called, blush, and I love that little blush. Now I'm just preparing for lashes, putting a little mascara on. So using the Lashaholic Insta Glam lashes. Look how beautiful they are. They're not too much over the top. I'm just taking my Maybelline lipstick. I forgot the shade, but I'll link it below. And also the Jouer Skinny Dip in the center. Now for the star of the show, this is the Cover FX glitter drops. And I am just dabbing that all over. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.